Hi all, welcome to GoDev Tech. Today we are going to see about Oppo X3. I purchased this from Amazon. Let me cut it open. The phone box seems to be a little big. I'm cutting it open. There is the user guide. Show what it is. The manual, the warranty card. So today we are going to see Oppo K3 Aurora blue color, which I purchased it from Amazon. Let's remove the cover. And it says 6GB with 64GB internal memory, and the phone's build quality looks nice, but there is a magnetic fingerprint that's you can see it clearly on the back side. It's very polished, but still there are fingerprints that are getting registered on the back of the uh, screen, and the display looks fine. So let's turn on the phone, and before that let us see what are the other things that are provided with this box. So they have provided the data cable, and there is the pin, SIM remover pin, and provided with a back cover. The back cover looks okay. You need not purchase it separately. Looks like a PVC one, and there is the VOC 3.0 fast charger. The configuration looks similar to RealME K3. So there is the volume button on the left hand side and the power button, similar like the RealMe X. There is a SIM tray button. Let's remove the SIM tray and let's check it out. So this is not a hybrid SIM slot. It's a normal SIM slot, only provision for dual SIM. Seems like the screen is smooth. Let's check the camera. So they have the pop-up camera at the top. There seems to be a mechanical sound a little bit. But it works fine. And they are provided with the 3.5mm jack, and there is the speaker at the bottom and the charging point. The body is made up of plastic, so should be careful. That is the reason they have provided with the phone back case to safeguard your phone if you are going to drop it. So anyway, thanks for watching the unboxing. We'll give you the review in the next video. Thanks for watching us, and please subscribe and like and comment. Thank you.